There you are. We are at Fenicci's of Hershey. Is Fenicci's chain, do you know?
I'm not sure. I don't think it is.
The name suggests that it's a chain, but I'm not sure. It's on Chocolate Ave, along the main strip. There's like a bunch of stuff here.
It's right across from Iron Hill Brewery,
Iron Hill
Starbucks.
Brewery, Starbucks, the Chocolate Ave Girls down there. This is pretty much where you go for anything in this town. But yeah, we're on a new GoPro 13, so hopefully this works. It's a test video, so we don't really know. Yeah, let's go see how this is. So we ended up getting some crab dip.
It's very cheesy.
And of course mozzarella sticks, although those are more like mozzarella noodles, which comes with marinara sauce, but that's just wasted.
Is that inside that building there?
That looks good. No, this is where it's at.
Slow day. Slow day.
And we got our salad. Comes with some rolls. What's that called?
Fra Diavolo, seafood Fra Diavolo.
And I got basil Alfredo seafood. And the dessert menu. Steph got tiramisu, which I don't know why.
Because it's good. It's tasty.
If you say so. I don't care for tiramisu. And I got deconstructed cannoli because you can't go to an Italian restaurant and not get cannoli. What was that?
These ones?
Oh.
These are the largest meatball in the world. You guys got YouTube?
Yeah.
Yes.
Make sure you say you're the oldest restaurant in Hershey.
Yeah.
We've been here over 100 years. And we make the largest meatball in the world. That's this one, the largest meatball. Longest line of Hershey Kisses, 14 miles.
And a couple more people show up. I thought they were all RV people.
We're from Hershey.
And it was just so hectic and chaotic.
So we're back from Fenicci's, and what do you think?
I liked it. It was really, really good.
The food was good. We walked in and we thought we were underdressed,
Yeah.
but when you listen to the type of music that they were playing, like it was started off like classical music, and then it leaned into like I don't know how to describe it, but it definitely wasn't like classical stuff that you would hear in an
really
Italian
paying attention
restaurant.
to the music.
And they put paper over top of the paper, the tablecloth, so like it's definitely not super fancy.
It's also like Hershey is a touristy town, and so I think that they anticipate people are going to be coming in tourist-like clothes.
Yeah, stuff like what we're wearing.
Yeah.
Just at the time, we were the only people wearing clothes like that, but after everybody else kind of left,
And there
a
were
lot more
there
casual people came
yeah,
in.
there were a couple other couples and stuff that came in that were wearing, you know, like shorts and whatnot.
Oh, that's weird. That camera went off.
Is this, I mean, obviously it's still recording,
Yeah,
right?
that's weird. Yeah, I just didn't think that would shut off like that. Still gotta learn this camera.
I think she wants to get down. Hang on.
But yeah, the restaurant itself was pretty good. All the food was good.
Yes.
Except the roll. I didn't care much for that roll.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, like, everything else was fine.
And my roll must have been like in the middle of the tray of rolls. So when they all baked together, it was like this weird trapezoid type shape. It wasn't the size of a full roll.
But I mean, if the only thing you have bad to say about a place is
the roll was bad. I mean, I guess it was pretty good, yeah.
And overall, it was about $100 before tip, so reasonably priced, considering that we each got an appetizer, entree, and dessert. So, and they have on the menu. It said they've been there for 88 years, but the one lady said that they've been there for over 100.
I think it said, on the sign out front, it said 1935.
Yeah, which would have been about 88 years.
But maybe that's just like the Fenicci name.
Yeah.
Maybe like the building itself has been a restaurant for 100.
Yeah, I don't know. It's either been there for 80. It's been there for at least 88 years. Yeah. But they held a record for the world's largest meatball. Mm-hmm. So that's always impressive. Got a really big meatballs. Mm-hmm. You know, I wonder how much sauce it took to cover that.
Probably a lot.
7.
Unless it was unsauced,
maybe 8.
Which is...
I don't know. I like my meatballs unsauced. But that's going to be the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one. It's like, what is that? It's different from the other one.
Mm-hmm. He's like, all this new stuff in my home. I don't know how to deal with it.